Data engineers spend 80% of their time on repetitive ETL boilerplate, copying raw data, writing cleaning logic, and building schemas. What if you could describe your entire data pipeline in plain English and have it auto-generate production-ready code? Today, you'll watch me paste one prompt that tells an agent to take all transactional tables, run them through bronze, silver, gold, add data quality checks, and build a star schema dimensional model. This workflow is driven by the power of the Databricks Data Engineering Agent inside the new Lakeflow Pipelines Editor. No more handwriting dozens of notebook cells or YAML files. This agent lives where your data lives, understands Unity Catalog, Delta Lake, Medallion architecture, dimensional modeling, and spits out fully functional Spark Declarative Pipelines. Now this is truly data engineering on fast forward. Enterprise-grade pipelines from conversational prompts. Let's dive in. Let me walk you through this single prompt that creates our entire pipeline. I'll also leave this in the description. Look at this one prompt. It describes a complete production pipeline, 5 raw bronze tables feeding 5 standardized silver tables, transforming into 4-dimensional tables, plus 1 fact table. The bronze layer captures raw, immutable copies from all 5 samples of the bakehouse table: customers, transactions, franchises, suppliers, and reviews. The agent handles the Delta Lake writes automatically, preserving every source record exactly as is for auditability. Silver is where the real data engineering magic happens. Here, we standardize formats, trimming strings, casting decimals to specific precisions, converting dates properly, plus embedding data quality expectations like no null customer IDs and balance greater than zeros. This layer catches garbage data before it ever touches our analytics layer. The agent auto-generates these expect statements for me. Finally, Gold delivers a BI-ready star schema. 4 clean dimensions: customer, franchise, supplier, and date, surrounding a central fact sales table with revenue, quantity, and discount measures. Proper primary keys and foreign key relationships mean Power BI or Tableau can instantly slice revenue by customer segment, franchise region, and monthly trends. This is exactly the structure executives actually query. All right, notice how the agent begins creating transformation Python files segregated into bronze, silver, and gold folders. In 90 seconds, it generates 12 Python files with the DP table decorators. And when I'm ready to productionize everything, I could run this final prompt. I won't run this for now, but I wanted to show you how I could Z-order fact tables for 10x faster queries, add table documentation, schedule daily 6 a.m. refreshes, and generate executive-ready BI queries, while also exporting YAML for sharing. Okay, once the files are created, the agent will do a dry run for validation, and if it fails or identifies errors, it'll self-correct and fix the issues. Once the dry run is complete, I can kick off the actual pipeline run, and notice how it creates the full pipeline DAG and lands production-ready analytics tables. As a final test, I can navigate to Power BI, where I'll want to consume this model data, and sure enough, I have access to the gold model, which I can now work with for reporting in Power BI. So there you have it. From one conversational prompt to a fully productionized dimensional data warehouse, bronze, silver, gold, data quality baked in, star schema ready for Power BI, daily refreshes scheduled. What took data engineers days now takes seconds. The Databricks Data Engineering Agent eliminates ETL drudgery, accelerates pipeline development by 10x, and delivers enterprise-grade pipelines governed by your Unity Catalog permissions. Data engineering redefined. Building pipelines like this every day? Well, hit subscribe for more agent-powered demos. Thanks for watching.